Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about a very important and inspiring person in the world of finance and business. His name is Warren Buffett, and he is one of the most successful investors in history. I choose him because his history is not only impressive, but also full of valuable lessons about discipline, patience, and smart decision making. Let's take a look at his life and achievements. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha. Warren Buffett is a highly influential figure in the world of finance and business administration. He is the chairman and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, and he is widely regarded as one of the greatest investors of all time. He was born in 1913 in Omaha, Nebraska. As a child, he was incredibly curious and showed an early talent for the business. He bought his first stock when he was just 11 years old, and by the time he was a teenager, he had already started several small ventures. Buffett's investment strategies and financial decisions are really groundbreaking. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, owns shares in major corporations such as Coca-Cola, Apple, and American Express. His investment philosophy focuses on long-term value and careful analysis, which has proven to be more successful than many of his peers. Buffett at the University of Nebraska and later earned a master's degree in economics from Columbia University, where he was strongly influenced by Benjamin Graham's investment theories. Graham's ideas helped shape Buffett's approach to value investing. During the 20th century, especially from the 1918s onwards, Buffett built his reputation by making smart, well-timed investments. He avoided risk speculation and instead focused on companies with strong fundamentals.